problem in all these petrol vehicle ECUs is what capacitors do. Just remove the capacitor. You need to clear it out. Just hold. So this is how we need to fix the ECU. Final job. If there is any small metal particle on the top surface, means just wipe it like this. Almost 1.5 hours to inspect each and everything as per the job. And at least you should have one spectacle to at least verify this component leg is short or not. The minimum standard ampere. What they will do, they will bring the new AC, they will fit the new AC, but they will not going to verify whether those two legs got short or not. भैया निकल करो, fix करो, काम नहीं करेगा, replace करो, बस. And after that always you should clean the cover. So no one is just cleaning cover. They will just going to put the cover same as like that only. Because of all this small metal particle, if it went inside means, then if the small metal particle going to short of 2 microcontroller legs means, what will happen?
Completely short. Again complaint.
Microcontroller problem it will start, or maybe driver AC, or maybe actuator AC. Who knows that problem? They will going to see only the outer side gum actually. But no one is having a knowledge to apply the gum inside the board. Always this ECU always comes with the inside gumming, not comes with outside gumming. Okay. How to apply the gum for this area means only for the blue area, not for the hump area. It was already tried to open by someone, but he can't able to fix this board. Why? Because lack of knowledge as per the protocol. Just hold with the coupler, it's more enough. We are not working like a doctors. You need to apply the gum in this area, only for this much area, up to this corner. Up to this corner, not up to here, up to this corner, that's all. Next, only you need to apply for the groove. Look at his discipline, look at his just discipline, how he is putting a gum for the entire cover. Just you should follow that much minimum discipline, okay? It should be end up to the groove part only. It should not touch to the inner layer also. That's the minimum discipline you should follow. If there is a small gap area is available means that may be lead for the water entry. How he disciplinedly applied the gum for the entire cover. Did he apply gum for the back side? Huh? No. In this level you should go into apply the gum for the ECU. By this way we can fix the ECU.